Sarpen, first like. Salamat. Thank you sa likes. My love, Mike. The kiss. Hi, Sir Chris. Thank you, Sir Chris. I heard you being bowling. Huh? Good morning, my love. Good morning. Bowling my first like, yes. I had first like, Mike. Don't take the credit. It came up her first. What? Don't bully. My God. Don't bully. The friend is friend. The friend is friend.
Kagabi, wala ka pag-adal. Nalayasong ka. Pagkatapos ko stop. Dito ko kita nakaligisan to. Paano ka?
Stop bullying. Ha, me? Why me? I didn't say anything, my God. Why me? My God. Hi, Alex Bros. Oh my God. Huh? Why me? They are good to me, my God. I'm not saying anything. Hello, Alex. I'm not saying anything.
Oh, takal.
But we know, Sheryl, we're teasing you. Oh my.
Hindi sa agalukot naman na.
Maybe you bully him. Are you bullying him? Don't bully. Hi, Sir James. Hello, Sir James. Big feeding time there. Big feeding time. Thank you so much. Oh, shit. I've never talked on stream about, okay. Hey, Vespa. I always say I have my reason why I do. Okay. What that? Oh my god. Hope your friendship is not over. Goody, there she goes. Good evening, you are. Thank you, Sir Daniel. Thank you, Daniel. I thought I was ugly. Jose. Hi, Jose. Morning coffee. Okay, longer 28 days, Cheryl. 28 days, my god. Mike, how many? Yes, I'm married soon. Can you stand up? You look amazing. I'm Bicol. Joke. Joke. Thank you for the likes. Hello, Caleb, Sir Caleb. Hello, guapa, married lady. Yes, very soon. I'm getting married. Thank you, Sir Caleb. Good morning to you. Good morning, Sir Caleb. Higher, huh? She has super chat if you want to hear to stand Martin. Yeah, you can send super chat or my PayPal, something like that. Thank you, Sir Fred. Hey, Kale from Sir Fred. Thank you, Hector. Hello, Sir Fred from Sir Caleb. I love you too, Hector. Hello from New York. Ah, yes, that's good. From New York, Hector. You subscribe to. Thank you. Jose. Sorry, Cheryl. The one I cake wanted to see Camel 2. What is that Camel 2? It's okay. I understand. Because some talk to me here, I don't understand. But they are disrespecting me. So, thank you so much, Sir Fred. Hi, Jose. why you want to marry me? You can't afford me. Camel 2 is your, oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? Plus chic outfit. How you doing, Fred? From Sir Khalid. Oh, thank you. Doing great here, Khalid. Just busy up here. Okay, I will stand up if you send me $1,000 million. Thank you, Sir Khalid. Let's be happy. How about you? Still busy with the trees? We will. Bakit ba hindi ka na kilala nun? Ako'y malaya. Ngayon ang puso ko. Dance! Rock you! Sir James! Yeah, I climb 8 trees this morning and trim 65 up to 15. Oh my god, my shoulder is killing me. Yes, something like that. Oh my god. $65 up to 15. Oh my god. I'm sure shoulder is killing me. Yeah, it's because it's, oh my god, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Oh my god. Thank you for the loving me, Hector. Bet you put a lot of ointment on afterwards. From Sir Fred. Olive. Wow, I like trimming trees this year with a power trimmer, of course. I use a manual trimmer though, holding chainsaw that whole time. But it will never be good again. James is climbing the trees. Yeah. Oh my god. How much to pay to see you naked? Oh my god, you can't afford it. Ah! Thank you, Sir Cal. Thank you, Sir Fred. Yes, he said, my tree climbing days are long gonna probably. We both got him, Khalid. Thank you, guys. Thank you for 10 million people. Hello, bro. Thank you so much. My niece here. Just week. I'm glad I don't have trees here to climb. You have lots of trees in your backyard, Sir Khalil. Everyone who disrespects the host will be flagged permanently. Final warning. Thank you. Thank you, my lovey hubby. Thank you so much. She did plant pine trees there also. Wow. Pine trees. I like pine trees po, Sir Fred. Is what I do for work. I am an arborist. Arborist. Ah, wow. Wait lang. I need to switch the arborist. Is what I do for... Ah, wow. Wow, that's great. Hey, Caleb. Thank you for watching. Arborist. Arborist, so you are a lionberry struntal. Arborist. An arborist is a trained professional who studies, manages, and cares for individual trees, shrubs, and woodlands. Ah, wow, that's great. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Dangerous ano. Oh my God. Dangerous job. A fancy name for a tree climber monkey. Me, when I'm kid, I'm always climb the guava fruits here because I need to pick the fruit, so that's why I need to climb like the guava. Ah, I'm hanging on the guava, then I need to I should change my handle to Calib Monkey. Calib line, Calib Monkey. Sir James. Oh my God. Yep. Skinny beanie. Oh my God. My feet is very expensive. No one can afford. So, never mind. Huh? Ignore your Kwan. Caleb, that's a good name. Change it. Alright. Ah, yes. Caleb is a good name. I like Caleb name. Caleb. Sir Caleb. Sir Caleb, do you have a wife, family, kids? What else? What else? Excuse me. Something like that. Monkey man, damn, spelled chick wrap, spelled chick, money. Ah, Manu really does grow on, Manu really does grow on trees for me. Wow, that's good. That's good job, Sir Khalil. I have two children, divorced, three exes, but was only married once. Ah, okay. Thank you for being honest, Sir Caleb. One time married, three exes, and two children, divorced. Oh, that's good. American money is not paper. It's actually a special fabric. Yeah. For the wood and all. We will rock you. Oh, Sir Steve Fillers. How are you? I'm fine. 4 weeks, 6 days, 2 hours, 55. 4 weeks, 6 days, 2 hours, 55 minutes. Mike, Cheryl waiting for you to rock her. Yeah, something like that, Sir Fred. Be good. I'm always good, Sir Steve. The mango trees there in Philippines look like a blast to climb. Yeah, because like mini stems. Beautiful trees. The mango here is beautiful trees. Something like she keeps singing Rocky song. Michael. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you so much. I better bring lots of blue pills. Oh my God. Hi, Ate Cheryl. Long time no see. Hi, Music Mike here. Long time no hear. Hello. Sir Caleb, my God. Don't buy them from street vendors here, Mike. Yeah, you need to the license Mercury Drugstore. Hello. Hi, Alex. Huh? Exactly. Good job. Thank you. Music one. Music Mike here. Nakatawa ka na? Naliwanan mo na. Fred, I have 120 already from my doctor. I'm preparing to rock her world. Ha? Gaano ka pa man? Nakatawa ka na? Patas pa.
Mahawak ko. Mahawak.
Ano ang gusto mo? They will be gone in a couple months, Mike.
Nadagdagan mo pa yan.
Yeah. In a couple of months. So maybe you need to like be careful to use it. The blue pill is for what? For the headache? The blue pill is you also give me like when I feel headache, something like that. That's the blue pill. Same. Maybe I'm. Oh my God! I'm paining on your ass. I'm your headache. Yes, for headaches. Oh my God! I'm. Oh my God! Hi, Sir Gas. How are you?
Sobrahan mo kahit ano. Namamaho ka.
Oh, sige na. Oo. Hello, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine, Sir Gas. Thank you so much. Check Messenger. Oh, I understand now the blue pill. Oh my God. Tawag mo na. Ah! I like the blue pill. Oh my God. Ay, nako. Ah! Ah! No, you embarrass her. Oh my God. Kagwapo niya. Kahap niya. Baka lang kung ito pa ba mang pandalate. Oh my God. Gotta run. Why all have a great day. Congrats again, Mike and Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Caleb. Have a nice day. Gotta run. Gotta run. Thank you, Sir Caleb. God bless you always. Take care, Caleb. God bless. Thank you, Sir Caleb. God bless you you. More, God bless you more. Not embarrassed, she getting kilig. Patience, yes, I patience. Need lots of patience. New man, Agos. Hi, new man, new man. New man. Hola, hola, hola. And behave. I'm always behave, my God. I'm always good. Sometimes. Newman. Oh, thank you, Newman. Are you are from Indonesia? Something like that. Hey, guys. I'm so Fred. Help me get over you. You and I. Template images available to create a simple, modern, minimalist, simple house image provider. Why? What is? Ah, okay. Something like that. Mm. Antonio, hello. Uncle Freddy, you cutting the mountain grass weeds today? From Mike. Wait. Going to for a while, yes. Remember, only 2 hours said boss mom Sheryl. Walk on her back. Thank you to people. located around to create a full modern. I'll literally work for. Okay, human. Yes, the board said so. Something like that. I'm old now. I'm old because I think I felt like this. I need to dance. No exercise. Need exercise. 4 weeks, 6 days, 40 minutes now. That's good. My God. The camera is terrible. Really? Why? The camera is terrible. Thank you to those who sending heart. Thank you so much. Seven plus nine. What an idiot question, human. Your camera is fine, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Fred. Your cheap phone is terrible, not her camera. Must be his eyesight, yeah, something like that. Or maybe he trying to piss me off, so... I have a... Aaron. Hi, Sir Aaron Lawson. Hello. Keep dreaming. Keep dreaming. A lifelong dream. 3 minus 3 is you. 3 minus, ano man, 3 minus 3 is something like you. 3 minus 3 equals it's like you. Thank you, Sir Fred. That's Sir Uncle Freddy. I knew he was going to say something. Yeah, something like that. Newman. 6 plus 3. What the fuck? Thank you, my love, Mike. Need to work today. Working day. Mike, he must have Bluetooth for 5 times. Huh? 5 times a day? One time is enough. I'm still hearing tons of messages about my truck unbelievable for first day advertised. What? Oh my god. Because your truck is super good. Yeah, beautiful, pretty. And I need to end the live. Sir Fred, I need to end the live because I need to do something because I need to do work today. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys. I need to a lot of money from sale of truck to feed share. Okay, I know you need to. Yes, I need to call my hubby before anything else. How will you know? Thank you, Sir Pet. Thank you. Go.